In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a sale in your eBay store. Whether you're looking to clear out inventory or simply boost your store's visibility, running a sale can be a fantastic strategy. Let's dive right into the steps to set up a successful sale event. First, you'll need to navigate to your eBay dashboard. Once you're there, click on My eBay, head over to Selling, then to Marketing, and finally select Discounts. This pathway will take you directly to where you can manage and create sales events. Once you're in the discount section, look for the Create Discount button, click it, and from the drop down menu choose the Sale Event option. This allows you to tailor the type of promotion you want to offer in your store. Next, you'll see various discount types to choose from, like percentage off, amount off, or simply sale event only. Choose the option that best aligns with your sales strategy. After selecting your preferred discount type, you'll need to specify the discount value. Enter this value into the appropriate box. Make sure that your discount value is within the allowed range. For example, if you opt for a percentage off, it typically needs to be between 5% and 8% to avoid any system errors. Pay close attention to this detail to ensure your sale is successfully set up. There are some additional options that you might find useful. For instance, you might want to include skipped items in the sale automatically when they become eligible. Alternatively, there might be an option to keep items in the sale while blocking price revisions. These tools can help streamline your sales process and maintain control over deal settings. Next is the duration section. Select the start and end dates for your promotion using the calendar feature provided. By default, the sale is set to start immediately and will end 30 days from its start. However, if you wish to set specific timeframes, use the Customize Time section, where you can adjust the starting and ending hours in 1-hour increments. As you proceed to the Details section, you'll find that an offer name might be pre-filled for you. This is generated based on existing store logic, but feel free to modify it to better suit your personal branding needs. Just remember to keep it within the character limit, which usually ranges from 52 to 90 characters depending on the tool you are using. When it comes to selecting inventory, you're presented with several options. You can opt to include all inventory, specific eBay categories, specific store categories, or specific items. By default, the sale is set to specific items. To refine your choices, click the Add link. This will open a detailed page where you can pick individual items. Use available filters such as price range, item condition, or categories to hone in on your desired selection. Additionally, a search feature allows you to pinpoint particular items via title, SKU, or item ID. After affirming your item selections, these will appear on the main sale event page. Once you've reviewed everything and ensured that all settings align with your goals, it's time for the final step. Review and launch your sale event. Now your eBay store is ready to engage customers with enticing deals. By following these steps, you can effectively set up a sale event that enhances your storefront's appeal and draws in more potential buyers. Happy selling!